good, so I thought of making soap. Let's start. So I will need Soapytwist soap base to make the soap. So now I am cutting this. To melt it, we need to cut it in small pieces. So I am making a Hello Kitty soap and I need some white base. I will cut this also in small pieces. So friends, it's time to melt the soap base. So first we will melt the white soap base. Okay friends, now we will keep it in the microwave for 1 minute. So now everyone, I am going to put this soap base which has melted in this because I want to make a pink colored Hello Kitty soap. Now I am putting pink color to make a Hello Kitty soap. Now I will stir it. Now I will fill only half of the Hello Kitty mold. Now I am adding orange color to it. A little bit more. Now I am filling half of the Doraemon and half of the monkey. Now I am melting transparent soap base. Okay, now the transparent base is melted, so now I will add some fragrance to it. I used Soapytwist fragrance. Now I will add some color, black color. Now I am spraying a little rubbing alcohol. Make sure the first layer is wet and then only pour the second layer. We have to spray rubbing alcohol again. Rubbing alcohol removes air bubbles. Now we will wait until the soap dries and then we will take it out. Now the soaps are set, so let's take them out and see how are they. My soaps are so good. I have tried it. Have you tried it? Take supplies from Soapytwist. You can tell your parents to visit www.soapytwist.com. Thank you.